High blood pressure is often called the silent killer, but the good news is you can take real steps to control it. In this video, we'll dive into simple, practical, and science-backed ways to lower blood pressure naturally. 1. Understanding blood pressure. Before we talk about lowering it, let's quickly understand what blood pressure actually is. Blood pressure is the force of your blood pushing against the walls of your arteries. It's measured in two numbers, systolic and diastolic. A normal reading is usually around 120/80 mmHg. Anything consistently higher, like 130, 80, or above, is considered elevated or hypertensive. The problem is, you don't always feel it. That's why it's called the silent killer. Left unchecked, high blood pressure can damage your heart, brain, kidneys, and even your vision. But here's the encouraging part. Lifestyle changes can make a huge difference. Many people are able to lower their blood pressure naturally without heavy reliance on medications, or at least reduce their need for them. 2. Start with your diet. One of the most effective ways to manage blood pressure is through diet. Doctors often recommend the DASH diet, which stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension. This diet emphasizes fresh fruits and vegetables, but whole grains, lean proteins like fish and chicken, low-fat dairy, nuts, seeds, and beans. And it limits foods that are high in salt, added sugars, and saturated fats. Why does this work? Because foods rich in potassium, magnesium, and calcium help balance out sodium's effects, making it easier for blood vessels to relax. For example, bananas, spinach, sweet potatoes, and yogurt are fantastic blood pressure-friendly foods. So instead of focusing only on what to cut out, think about what you can add in. A colorful plate usually means a healthier plate. 3. Cut back on salt. Speaking of diet, let's talk about sodium. Too much salt is one of the biggest drivers of high blood pressure. The average person eats way more than the recommended limit of 1,500 to 2,300 milligrams per day. Salt makes your body hold on to water, which increases blood volume and puts more pressure on your arteries. Simple ways to cut back include cooking more meals at home instead of relying on processed foods, reading nutrition labels to check sodium content, using herbs and spices instead of salt to flavor your food. Try replacing chips with air pop popcorn or roasted chickpeas. Over time, your taste buds will actually adjust, and you won't even crave salty food as much. 4. Stay active. Exercise for a healthy heart. Next up, movement. Regular exercise is one of the best things you can do for your heart and arteries. You don't need to run a marathon. Even 30 minutes of brisk walking most days can lower your blood pressure by up to 5 to 8 points. Aerobic activities like cycling, swimming, or jogging are great, but strength training also plays a role in keeping your heart strong. If you're busy, break it into smaller chunks, like 3 10-minute walks. The key is consistency. The more you move, the healthier your blood vessels become, and the easier it is for your heart to pump. 5. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess body weight puts added strain on your heart and blood vessels. In fact, losing just 10 pounds can make a noticeable difference in blood pressure levels. When fat builds up around the abdomen, it can affect how your body processes insulin, leading to higher risks of both hypertension and diabetes. Instead of obsessing over crash diets, focus on sustainable lifestyle changes. Balanced meals, portion control, and regular physical activity all add up. Even slow progress is progress, and your heart will thank you. 6. Limit alcohol and quit smoking. Another big factor, alcohol and smoking. Moderate alcohol consumption might have some heart benefits, but overdoing it definitely raises blood pressure. For men, that means no more than 2 drinks a day. For women, no more than 1. As for smoking, there's no safe level. Every puff temporarily spikes your blood pressure, and over time, it damages your arteries. The moment you quit, your blood vessels start to recover. Within weeks, your circulation improves, and within a year, your risk of heart disease drops dramatically. If quitting feels overwhelming, seek support groups or nicotine replacement therapies. It's not just about blood pressure, it's about your overall health. 7. Manage stress. Stress is one of those sneaky things that doesn't directly cause hypertension, but it certainly makes it worse. Think about it. When you're stressed, your body releases adrenaline and cortisol, which tighten your blood vessels and speed up your heart. That's why stress management is crucial. Here are a few proven techniques. Deep breathing or meditation. Just 5 minutes of mindful breathing can lower stress hormones. Yoga or Tai Chi. Gentle movements that also calm the mind. Journaling. Writing down worries can actually clear your head. Prioritizing sleep. Poor sleep triggers stress responses in the body. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. Remember, you can't always control what happens in life, but you can control how you respond. 8. Stay hydrated. Water plays a bigger role than many people realize. When you're dehydrated, your blood thickens, making it harder for your heart to pump and potentially raising blood pressure. Aim for at least 6 to 8 glasses of water per day. Herbal teas and water-rich foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges also help keep you hydrated. Just watch out for sugary drinks, which can have the opposite effect. 9. Monitor your blood pressure at home. Knowledge is power. By tracking your blood pressure at home, you'll know if the steps you're taking are actually working. Home monitors are affordable and easy to use. Here are a few tips. Measure at the same time each day. Sit quietly for a few minutes before taking the reading. Keep a log to share with your doctor. This not only keeps you accountable, but also helps your healthcare provider make better decisions about your treatment plan. 10. Small habits that make a big difference. Let's recap some easy everyday habits that add up. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Cook at home more often. Get into a bedtime routine to improve sleep. Laugh more. Yes, laughter actually relaxes blood vessels. Surround yourself with supportive people, because positive relationships reduce stress. Remember, lowering blood pressure isn't about making one huge change. It's about stacking small, sustainable habits that strengthen your heart and improve your overall health. Your health is truly in your hands. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll see real improvements in your blood pressure and overall well-being. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more health tips, and share it with someone who needs it today.